Hello, my name is Joshua, and I'm going to be your host over the next few minutes to explain to you a little bit more in depth about Obsidian's Merchant Capital Protection Plan, how it can and will protect your business and allow you to obtain proper funding within 24 to 48 hours at any time when you need it most. Let's take a quick look at today's funding challenges. In today's economy, bank financing for business has become extremely challenging to obtain. But what makes it so challenging? Well, that's a great question. What makes it so challenging is that banks want to see a large amount of collateral, great credit, both personal and business credit. They want also successful business that has strong cash flow. It's like they want to give you money simply when you don't need it, and then they don't want to give you money simply when you do need it. You see, most business owners have had their credit hit and their finances hit over the course of the last few years, which makes it very challenging for them to obtain the proper business funding to keep their doors open and to also take their business to the next level. You see, most banks want to see the following. They want to see great credit above personal credit above a 690. They want to see 2 to 3 years financial statements and tax returns. Sometimes they may even request audited tax returns. They also want to see sufficient amount of collateral, such as real estate and owned equipment. And then they also want to have, again, proper cash flow within your business. You see, a lot of people face the challenge of not having these. And if you don't have it, then what do you do to survive? Cash is king, right? Do you realize the lack of capital funding for business owners is a major problem in today's economy and is a leading contributor to massive layoffs in business that have gone bankrupt over the course of the last few years? They simply lack cash flow. But you don't have to. Let's look at traditional funding to see exactly what your traditional options are. You see, today most of your traditional funding options are very much the same and meet the criteria we just spoke about. We lower the few types of loan businesses that can obtain for their business if they qualify. And I want to iterate and elaborate a little bit more on the fact that if they qualify. You see, you can obtain large-term business loans from major banks, corporate credit cards from multiple credit card companies, business lines of credit. You also get SBA loans, private loans, and HELOCs, home equity lines of credit. But what if you don't meet these specifications and you are looking to expand your business? Or let's just say you're looking to secure your cash flow to put your business in a stronger position. Where do you go? What do you do? You know, that is a great question. What do you do? What do you do if you don't really know all your options? What do you do if you don't have all the credit in the world or all the collateral in the world? Well, you see, that's exactly where we come into play. Here at Obsidian, we offer you what's called Obsidian Capital Protection. We offer that for all of our clients. The benefit of that is to always have capital access within 24 hours and at your fingertips when you need it. You see, we have direct access to over 100 different types of alternative business lenders that allow you, the business owner, the opportunity to have capital funding when you need it without the hassle of having to spend a very large amount of time or money simply searching for it. When you work with us at Obsidian, we analyze your business. We find out how much you need and what best source of funding will benefit your business. Then we simply take that information and go to our particular lenders and shop for the best terms, the best pricing, and the highest amount of cash approval based on your business's needs. And when we do this, we also enroll you into our no-cost capital protection program, which helps ensures and guarantees that you will always have capital when you need it. You see, the best part to you about all of this is we're a results-based company. You see, we only get paid when you do. So everything we do is based on our performance, and we perform. You know, this gentleman right here ripping his shirt open is you. We want you to be the capital hero of your business. And with Obsidian's Capital Protection Plan, that's exactly what happens. You know, being the capital hero of your business is great, but how do you do that if you don't know your options? You see, there are many different things that your business can apply for or be approved with if you're aware of them. At Obsidian, this is what we do. We create that awareness and help you understand more of what's available to you. You see, did you know that there are ways that you can always guarantee that you never have to worry about obtaining capital for your business? How about this? Did you know that there are forms of capital that are fully deductible to your business? That's right. Did you know that you can obtain capital that can be written off on your taxes, reducing your tax bracket? Did you know you could have multiple types of financing with your business at the same time? Did you know that you could obtain unsecured financing with no credit, no collateral, no applications, and no headaches or hassles? Did you know that you could obtain up to $20,000 to $50,000 in less than 24 to 48 hours? Did you also know that you can have access up to $5 million or more within 10 days? Obsidian will reduce all your capital headaches, saving you time, money, and hassle. But did you know that all of this and more is simply included in this Obsidian's capital protection plan? You see, we're the Excedrin, Obsidian strength Excedrin to your business. We're here to help you get results. Now at this point you're probably thinking, okay, what is Obsidian capital protection? You know, that is a great question. Now this is a simple plan and guarantee that's in place that we instill with all of our clients and highly encourage them to be involved. You see, we help them obtain a very small working capital of $15,000 to $35,000, depending on your business, maybe even $10,000. The reason for this is to boost your current cash flow, lower the tax rate, and build a very strong reserve of at least 6 to 8 months to cover any down or slow months. You'll be surprised how many businesses do not have 8 months full reserves saved. Now, when you have obtained a small protection advance, you are now qualified for larger funding amounts within 24 to 48 hours guaranteed, no hassles, no headaches. You see, once you're already in the system and have already done a small capital advance with us, we can now access funding for you instantaneously within less than 24 hours. We also want to ensure that your business will always have the available funding no matter your position. Accidents and equipment breakdowns happen all the time, and the ability to obtain up to $50,000 or maybe even up to $250,000 in less than 24 hours is an extremely big deal to your business. Bank financing can take weeks and even months, but with Obsidian's protection plan, you can have your funds in 24 hours. You can put your mind at ease knowing that you have the financial security of obtaining fast funding when you need it in 24 to 48 hours. And if you don't, if we fail you, we will pay you $750. That's our guarantee to you. You can think of it kind of like a capital insurance policy. We're here to help protect you and your capital. Hopefully at this point you're scratching your head going, okay, this sounds great, but what are the benefits to my business? Well, that's a fantastic question. With Obsidian's Capital Protection Program, you have no enrollment fees, no service fees. You have access to capital when you need it fast. It's never a loan. There's no filings or reportings or anything to your business. The capital you obtain is always tax deductible to your business, unlike loans. It doesn't affect your total cash flow. The capital guarantee is guaranteed or we will pay you $750. No capital company is doing that. You also don't have to have or put up any collateral or any credit or any upfront fees. We help you build your reserves, help you pay off high interest debts, stay ahead of your competitors, and allow funding at your fingertips. It is a true protection program specifically designed for one thing, you the business owner, to make sure you always have funding when you need it. Now that you've seen a little bit about our capital protection program, I want to briefly just let you know that we have other funding sources that could be possibly available to your business. Stop being subject to harsh underwriting guidelines and open yourself up to the alternative lending world that's waiting for you. You see, if you've been declined by your bank or simply want peace of mind, we encourage every business owner to enroll in capital protection to give not only peace of mind, but additional strength to your business. If any of this interests you, please contact your direct Obsidian consultant. If you don't have an Obsidian consultant, please contact us directly at the office here at info@theocgroupllc.com or call 888-851-6665. All of us here at Obsidian, thank you for your time in viewing this small video to help educate you further on our Obsidian Capital Protection Plan. Please contact your OC Obsidian consultant for more details. Also, please feel free to visit our site for other programs and services at www.obsidianbusinessconsulting.com. Make it a wonderful day.